Welcome everyone to Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio. This is Sean Frost, and today we're doing a walk around video on a very lightweight fifth wheel. A unit that we've been selling very nicely from Keystone. This is called the Springdale, this particular model. The 272 FWRE. So that's rear entertainment. This is very lightweight, 7,800 pounds. Many travel trailers, pull behinds, will weigh heavier than this. So, I'll show you a few of the features. It says the flip upstairs, those will fold up into the door. Very solid, don't shake the camper. Great grip. Has the big grab handle. Take you to the storage department here. It's pass-through storage there, other side. Propane bottle. So there's a friction hinge door too, I should point out. So this doesn't need the old latch against the wall. You're ripping it out, smacking it all the time. Little storage up front. So the 3-year warranty with Keystone. So 2 years on the appliance, 3 years on the structure. Good warranties with Keystone. Though we don't have a lot of issues with them. These hold up very nicely. Power landing legs. So those are power. Has the power stabilizer jacks on the back. Button for him. So, you know, doesn't have the leveling system, but one this small, don't think it's necessary. You got the outside kitchen area, a couple burners. There's the refrigerator. Little light back there. Comes with a spare tire. A backup camera prep. Detachable power cord. Let's take you inside. So rear entertainment layout. So of course, tons of headroom here. This comes with the TV. Nice cabinetry area. So good storage above the TV. So nice cozy little corner. Feel like home. These will fold out to a bed. That'll drop down to a bed. So you can move that table outside. Use it like a little picnic table. A little bit more storage above the couch here. Nice light fixtures. Refrigerator. Runs off of gas or electric. There's the oven. Got a little light. You can see what's going on in there. Also spark it without having to light it. 3 burners there. When you're not using them, fold over the glass, extra space. Your microwave up there. Deep sink, huge deep sink. So if you've got the bigger pots and pans, whatnot, won't be much of an issue to get them clean. Got the big shower. Sorry. Little skylight, so the guys that are taller, you got a little bit more room. And there's the wardrobe on the slide out. Nice dark cabinet look. Like that cherry wood kind of look. Of course, the standard wardrobe closets on either side. A little more storage over top. You have a second air conditioner prep in this area. A little bit more storage underneath the bed. Sorry. It's a little tough to lift it with one arm and shoot the video. And people are always asking about the TV in the bedroom. So here's the connections to that. You got the outside antenna. The old antennas you'd have to crank up and maybe direct toward the city. This one's universal direction. Picks up the channels pretty well. So I should note that it does have the CD DVD player still, which is very nice. You have zone A, zone B. So you can play the speakers inside, speakers outside. Real nice camper. So great extremely great price, extremely lightweight, so very affordable, very low payments. Payments are a lot lower than some people will think, because they're going to be financed for a lot longer. It's going to last a lot longer than your car. So there you have it. This is Sean Frost with Paul Sherry RVs. We've got this one and many other ones as well. If you'd like to see the variety, call, chat, email, text. However you would like to get a hold of us, we will return your message. And thank you for watching.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from. And how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course, provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.